Game clock down to 5. Javier inside pass and fire off the window. Basket is good. Steps inside and to the middle. Reverse layup. Basket and one. Pass to number 15 Carlos. Steps inside Liz. Basket is good. Carlos for the receiver. And the pass to the inside. He spins. Top shot. Bullseye. Welcome to Bulacan Intertown Makata Cup. Ildefonso versus attacking the defense. Fires short, rebound, and cleaning his own mess. Sorry. Then the pass. Post up. One-on-one against Parinas. Picks, spins, fires. No good. Rebound Akop. Akop the long pass. And Akop pass inside. Basket is good. And Suare. Bounce pass to Javier. Ball stolen. And stolen. And the pass. Akop in the pass. Behind the back pass. Steps inside. And to the middle. Reverse layup. Basket and one. Pass to number 9. Caicedo. And to the corner. Akop picks. And the pass. And here's Akop. Corner pass. 4-3. Bang! Nothing but net. And here's Saore. Saore stop. Pull up J. No good. Rebound sa Ildefonso. And the pass. Here's Akop. Akop number 13. And a bounce pass to the middle. Pull up J. Bullseye. And here's Tim Baliwag. Alejandro to the corner. And pass to Angeles. The top shot. In and out. Rebound. Put back. Basket is good. Up. And here's number 8. Angelo. Pass to number 15 Carlos. Steps inside Liz. Basket is good. Carlos taking it easy. Looking for the clock. Game clock down to 5. Javier inside pass and fire off the window. Basket is good. And here's number 8. Ang pass to the corner. He steps inside and fire. Bullseye. And here's number 13 Akop. Driving, bumping, spinning, firing. In and out. Picks. 4-3. Bang! 3-point. Number 13. Pass to number 33. And Carlos. Pass to the middle. Anicente drives to the middle. Javier will fire. Off the pass. Basket is good. Javier. Anicente. Lost the handle. Stolen. And here's Calison all alone. To the hoops. Easy to. And the pass. Saore. Corner pass. Caguntas. Pass to Javier. Bounce pass. And lace. Basket is good. And here's number 10 will lace. Will finish. And now in hurry, Casente. Saore will lace. And it's in. Saore. And Calison kicks out to Akop. Akop to Akop. Drives by Akop. Side step by Akop. Rejected. Akop. Put back shot. No good. And here's number 24. Anicete. And the pass. Saore. Inside pass. Anicete goes to the screen. Stops and pass. Drives. Inside 5. Basket and 1. Duarte. And Liz. Then Saore. Basket for 2. And the pass. Spinning. Lacing. No. Saore the rebound. Saure! Lays and it's bucket for 2. Saure! 5-point lead for Team Baliwag. High pass to the baseline. Inside pass, posting up. He spins and fire. Bullseye! And here's Calison. Goes inside and kicks out. Akop. Now sharing the play. Now at the top. Stop for 3. Akop. Bang! 3 points. Akop. And it's number 22 again. Bump and fire. No. Rebound. Rejected. And the pass. Number 6. Inside pass. The lace. It's in easy to Saure. The pass. Gagante sa gitna. Bump. And create space and fire. No. Tips in. No. Rebound. Put back. Basket and 1. For the inbound. Team Baliwag. Now looking for Sever. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Rebound sa loob. Team Baliwag. The pass and the fire. Basket is good. Go Kate. Ragasa inside pass. Fires. Won't go in and out. Rebound. Reverse layup. Akop will finish. For the receiver. And the pass to the inside. He spins. Top shot. Bullseye. Baseball pass. And rock over. That's the Calison. Calison now at the top. The pass to the middle picks. Stop. Pull up jet the free throw. Rejected. And the pass break. And here's Calison. Easy lace. Sao. He goes to the left wings. And the pass to the middle. Duarte drives. And kicks out. Open look for 3. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Mapupunta sa Baliwag. The baseball pass. Saure. Inside pass. Dalis. And the bucket. Situation for San Ildefonso. Fix. He stops and kicks out. Duarte. Lace. No good. Rebound Duarte. Inside pass. Clutch and fire. Basket is good. And here's Calison. Stolen by Carlos. Carlos! Easy to! Angelo! And Calison. Sumegway. Calison. Crossover. And pass and lace. Duarte with the finish. And here's Angelo. Inside pass and lace. Gets the bucket. Gagun Angeles. Angeles. And pass back Angeles. Lace of the window bucket. Angeles. For the inbound, the pass. And here's Akop. Stops. Cross pass for 3. That's Anicente. Fourth quarter action here. Ball possession for Team Baliwag. He spins and fire. Oop, no good. Rebound niya pa rin, put back. Oh! He clearing his own man. And Akop. Akop now at the top. He stops and pass. Inside pass, delays the bucket. And Akop dribbling the ball. Attacking the defense. Corner, picks. And inside pass. And reverse layup. Duarte with the finish. Chico. Chico now with the ball. He stopped deep 3. Chico. Bang! 3 points. Chico. And drives to the hoops. Yes, it's in. And Anicente to the corner. Duaso! Saure! Akop with the ball. Dribbling at the top. The pass to Akop. Akop looking for the opponent. Step back. Akop for 3. Bang! Step back! Para dito kay Calison. Stolen. And here's and fire Angelo. The pass. Javier. No good. Rebound. And picks and pass. Javier. Fire. Bullseye. Javier. Calison is spinning. And the pass for 3. Akop. No good. Inbound that pass. Oop. And free throw, bullseye. Callison inbounding. 67-64 score. Looking for receiver, inside pass and far off the glass. Kinain! And behind the back dribble. And here's Angelo. Pass to Saore. Saore goes to the screen. Stop, top shot. No. Rebound dito sa Baliwag. And the pass is stolen. The pass break. And it's Duarte for the tie. Bullseye! 68-67. Dito, ang team San Isidro, San Ildefonso kicks out for 3. Uy! Grabe. And here's Akop. Against Sauro eh. He goes to the screen. Inside pass. And bounce pass. Akop steps inside and lays short. Rebound Saure. And the pass. Pearson pass and fire off the glass. Kings favor. Now at the top, Akop goes to the screen. He's spinning. He step back for 3 for the lead. No good. Rebound Baliwag. And his pass, Angelo, pass to Saure. Saure bump. And pass to the middle. Pass, Javier, no good. Rebound, Pariñas. Lost the ball. Callison, the pass. And here's Akop, the side step, the fire. Akop first on the free throw. And it's a bucket. Ties the game. 69 all. 1 minute 28 seconds for the lead. And now up by 1. Pass back Carlo. Angelo. Angelo stop for 3 for the lead. No. Rebound para sa San Ildefonso. 70-69 Akop. Now with the ball. Behind the back dribble. Akop goes to the middle. Spinning. Great space. Step back for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Saure. Saure nagmamadali. Stop and bump. And stolen. And the pass break. Duarte naman. And fires. Easy to. Sete inbounding. And the pass. Number 15 is spinning. Carlos. Crossover. Kicks out. Open look fast for the tie. No. Rebound for the tie. No. Rebound put back. And down to 1 point lead. 19.5 seconds. San Ildefonso basketball. Duarte and a pass. Callison pass back. And stolen for Team Baliwag. Oh, for the lead. Lace block for the lead. Oh, for the win. For the win, Team Baliwag. And 7.3 seconds. 1 point lead for Team Baliwag. Down to 5. And for 3 for the win. No.